Anker wireless charger, PowerPort wireless 5 stand, key certified, compatible iPhone 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, XR, XS Max, XS, X, 8, 8 Plus, Samsung Galaxy S10, S9, S8, Note 10, Note 9, no AC adapter by Anker. Cost, $12.27. Amazon, https://www.amazon.com/GP/product/B0753Z4PGC/ref=p_x__y__d_t_ps_ps/PS=1. The Anker Advantage. Join the 20 million plus powered by our leading technology. Charge forward. Using highly efficient components and an advanced chipset, PowerPort wireless charges any key-compatible device in 10% less time than other 5W wireless chargers. Versatile viewing. Charge vertically or horizontally for ideal use with Face ID, keeping track of messages, or watching videos. Metal attachments or credit cards will interfere with charging. Certified safe. Totally eliminate the radiation and overheating risks associated with wireless charging. With overvoltage protection, temperature control, foreign object detection, and more, you and your iPhone are fully protected. What you get: PowerPort wireless 5 stand, 3 feet micro USB cable AC adapter not included, welcome guide, worry-free 18-month warranty, and friendly customer service. Banner logo PowerPort Wireless. The PowerPort Wireless series was designed to deliver the fastest wireless charge possible and simplify charging into just setting down your phone. PowerPort Wireless 5 stand, one of the simplest possible ways to charge. Forget about messing with cables and cases. Just set your device on PowerPort Wireless and let the power flow. Charge either vertically or horizontally to keep track of your messages or enjoy videos while charging. Charges 10% faster than other 5W wireless chargers. Radiation shielding, advanced temperature control, case friendly. Versatile viewing, keep track of work and personal messages in portrait mode, or switch over to landscape to enjoy videos while charging. Fully centered, align in the center where the charging coil is located for the fastest possible charge. 10% faster than other 5W wireless chargers. LED indicator, ascertain charging status at a glance without adjusting or picking up the charger. Safe, advanced temperature control, overvoltage protection, and more combined to provide complete safety for you and your devices. Model number, a 2523. PowerPort Wireless 5 stand. The high-speed wireless charging stand. A perfect view. Place your phone on PowerPort Wireless and charge vertically or horizontally. Keep tabs on your work groups, or keep an article open for reference in portrait mode. Then, switch over to landscape to comfortably enjoy videos at your desk. All-round safety. Eliminate the stray radiation concerns and overheating associated with some wireless chargers. Full CE, FCC, and RoHS certification, along with advanced temperature control, ensure a totally safe charge. Compatible devices. 5W standard charge mode, using 5V/2A adapter, Samsung Galaxy S10, S9 Plus, S9, S8, S8 Plus, S7 Edge, S7, S6 Edge Plus, Samsung Note 10, Note 9, Note 8, Note 7, iPhone XS Max, iPhone XR, iPhone XS, iPhone X, iPhone 8, 8 Plus, all other key-enabled phones and devices, Pixel 3, Pixel 3 XL. The phone screen will display the message, charging slowly. Note, if the LED light flashes while charging, please check to ensure that your phone case is less than 5 mm thick and has no metal attachments. If the problem persists, reboot your phone and make sure that it is centered on the charging surface. Do not use Apple's 5V/1A stock charger or a computer's USB port to power your Anker wireless charger. Input: 5V2A. Output: 5V1A. Compatible phone models: iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max, iPhone XR, iPhone X, iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus, Samsung Galaxy S9, S9 Plus, S8, S8 Plus, S7, S7 Edge, S6 Edge Plus, Note 9, Note 5, Samsung S6/S6 Edge, Google Nexus 654, LG G2, G3, G6 Plus, Lucid 2, Lucid 3, Optimus F5, Optimus G Pro, Optimus at -05E, Spectrum 2, View 2, View 3, V30, V30 Plus, Microsoft Lumia 950 Dual SIM 950 XL 950 XL Dual SIM product dimensions 4.5 x 3 x 2.7 inches item weight 3.84 ounces shipping weight 5.6 ounces Few shipping rates and policies as in B0753Z4 PGC
Item model number AK 2.523.011.
This was one of my wireless chargers, and the problem I'm having with it is that now with the case it's too thick, it doesn't fit anymore. So I'm replacing this wireless charger, which is a clock and a wireless charger, so it does two things in one, and an alarm clock, with this. It's charging both batteries just fine. This is how it looks with the phone. I like it. Again, I can't use this one since this one doesn't fit in the case anymore. So this is my next best thing, is to put it there. I like it. Very nice looking. Alright, I hope you liked the video. Thank you. Bye.